Assalamualaikum grade 10. Hopefully you will be fine. Today date is 2nd September 2020. It's my 42 lecture and day is Wednesday. I am giving you another comprehension passage. It's exercise number 4 and page number 39. See the passage. Musa was in chief command and the gates were in his charge. So Musa was the chief command. Musa is the name of a person who is chief commander and all the gates were in his charge. They had been barred when the Christians came into view. Barred means उनमें सलाखें लगाई गई थी, यानी उनको सलाखों के ज़रिए से बंद किया गया था या उसमें जो बाड़ लगाई गई थी. Barred when the Christians came in view. When the Christians came for the war. जब क्रिश्चियंस जो है जंग करने के लिए आए तो उन तमाम गेट्स के ऊपर उन्होंने बाड़ लगा के उनको बंद कर दिया. बट मूसा थ्रू दैम ओपन. लेकिन मूसा ने उनको दोबारा से खोल दिया. अवर बॉडीज़ ही सेड विल बार द गेट. उसने क्या कहा कि हमारे जो बॉडीज़ हैं, हमारी जो जिस्म है वो इन दरवाज़ों के आगे सलाखें हैं या उन दरवाज़ों के आगे रुकावट है. द यंग मैन वर किंडल्ड बाय सच वर्ड्स. So all the young men was very impressed with these words, and when he told them, they have nothing to fight for but the ground we stand on. Without that we are without a home or our country. So Musa again said to his men that we have just this land for fight, and if we lost this land we will without a country or we will without a home. यानी हम सिर्फ इस सरज़मीन के लिए लड़ रहे हैं. अगर ये सरज़मीन नहीं होगी तो ना हमारे पास कोई घर होगा और ना ही हमारा कोई मुल्क होगा. They were ready to die with him. So all the men were ready to die with him. With such a leader, the Moorish chivalries performed feast of bravery in the plain which divided the camp from the city. इन अल्फाज के साथ जितने भी मूरिश यानी इट इज़ द नेम ऑफ अ सिटी, मूरिश के रहने वाले जो बहादुर लोग थे, शिवलरीज, ब्रेव पीपल, परफॉर्म फीस्ट ऑफ ब्रेवरी. फीस्ट ऑफ ब्रेवरी मीन्स दे हैव परफॉर्म देयर ब्रेवरी एंड दे डिवाइडेड द कैंप इन फ्रॉम द सिटी. यानी जो आर्मी कैंप्स थे उनको उसमें उन्होंने शहर में तब्दील कर दिया. इट्स मीन दे हैव conquered all the areas under the Christians. So when the Christians came into view, Musa opened the gates and they fight for their land. At last they will get victory. कि आखिरकार उन्हें फतह हासिल हो गई. It's a very small paragraph. See what question are given. Question number 1. Who was the chief commander and what was in his charge? You have to read the passage again and try to get the answer. When were the gates barred? You have to start the answer from the gates were barred. When the Christians came in view. Who threw them open? You have to find the answer. It's very easy. You can easily get the answer. What did Musa say? So it's the question is given in past tense. You will write the answer in past tense. You will write Musa said, our bodies will bar the gate, and he said we have nothing to fight for but the ground we stand on, and without that we are without a home or a country. So जितनी भी वर्ड्स इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स में हैं ये सारे मूसा के वर्ड्स हैं. सो जो भी मूसा ने कहा है वो इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स में मेंशन किया हुआ है इस पैराग्राफ में. आपने वो सब कोटेशंस या सब लाइंस लिखनी है जो इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स में. और बॉडीज़ भी वी will bar the gates and we have nothing to fight till country. यहाँ तक इसका आंसर होगा. What effect had his words on the young man? So his words had effect on the young man that they were ready to die with him. क्वेश्चन के अंदर से ये आंसर स्टार्ट करें और इसका आंसर जो पैराग्राफ में दिया हुआ है उसके साथ लिंक कर लें. What divided the city from the camp? You have to find the answer to your own. It is very easy. You have to see the last line. You will get the answer. It is your home task. You have to read the passage again and try to give the answer of these 6 questions to your own. Write the paragraph in dotted line. Mention date and day. It is your home task. Try to find the answer and do it to your own. Allah Hafiz class.